A, B, C, fruit fun. Let's learn and have fun. A for apple, A, apple, red and shiny apple. B for banana, B, banana, sweet yellow banana. C for cherry, C, cherry, small red cherry. D for dates, D, dates, sweet brown dates. E for eggplant, E, eggplant, purple eggplant. F for fig, F, fig, tasty fig. G for grapes, G, grapes, green sweet grapes. H for honeydew, H, honeydew, big green honeydew. I for ice apple, I, ice apple, fresh ice apple. J for jackfruit, J, jackfruit, big jackfruit. K for kiwi, K, kiwi, green kiwi. L for lemon, L, lemon, sour lemon. M for mango, M, mango, yummy mango. N for nectarine, N, nectarine, sweet nectarine. O for orange, O, orange, juicy orange. P for papaya, P, papaya, healthy papaya. Q for quince, Q, quince, yellow quince. R for raspberry, R, raspberry, red raspberry. S for strawberry, S, strawberry, sweet strawberry. T for tomato, T, tomato, red tomato. U for ugly fruit, U, ugly, funny, ugly. V for vanilla, V, vanilla, nice vanilla. W for watermelon, W, watermelon, gig watermelon. X for zigua, X, zigua, juicy zigua. Y for yellow pear, Y, pear, soft pear. Z for zucchini, Z, zucchini, green zucchini. A, B, C fruit fun is done. Great job, everyone. Well done.